Dude, what the fuck is your problem?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I couldn't hold it.
What are you fucking sneezing on me for?
I couldn't hold it. I tried walking by.
Second fucking time you did that, dude. What's your fucking problem, man?
Sir, chill, sir, chill. I will. Go. Record.
He needs a fight and he's up to now.
Started chasing us.
Go sleep.
Oh, yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. Everyone loves Swan, and today we're bringing you guys a new video. As you guys can see from the title of the video, we're going to do a sneezing on strangers prank. Let me show you guys a little something that I got. So we got some bottles right here. Yeah, but also guys, if you guys are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button. We're gonna see if we can get some good ass reactions. I'm pretty sure we'll get something, because who the fuck isn't gonna trip if you know you get sneezed on? I'd be somebody's ass shit. But yeah guys, let's get straight into this video. Damn. Shit, I'm sorry. Oh, shit. Shit. I get some on you, sir?
No, you're alright.
Shit. I'm sorry, this shit just happened.
Yeah, it's cold already. Yeah.
It just happens randomly. Shit. Fuck. I can't stop it. Shit just, it happens out of nowhere. Oh, shit. 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 Damn, I fucking dirty my jacket. What the fuck? Fucking damn boogers. Oh my god.
What the fuck is your problem?
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I couldn't hold it.
What are you fucking sneezing on me for?
I couldn't hold it. I tried walking by.
Second fucking time you did that, dude. What's your fucking problem, man?
Did I hit you the first time, sir?
Yeah, you did.
I'm so sorry. Freaking nose.
Then you sit here and fucking about it. I know exactly what you're doing. Get the fuck away from me, man.
I'm sorry. I
God
couldn't
damn,
hold it.
what's your fucking problem?
Sir, it's just boogers.
Get the fuck away from me before I fucking spit on you.
You're gonna spit on me?
Piece of shit.
Do you want me to spit on you back?
You just fucking sneezed on me.
I said I'm sorry, sir.
Then go, man. You're sorry. Don't do it again. You did it twice.
Take it easy, sir. It's just
You
boogers.
did it twice.
Sir, the first time I didn't mean to. Relax.
Fuck meant to do it the second time.
Relax, sir.
Fuck you, man.
It's not that serious. Fuck you.
I've had COVID 4 fucking times. I don't need it again.
This is my first time with COVID.
Then get the fuck away from me.
Sir, you were close to me. What do you mean? It's not that serious. It was just a sneeze. Damn. Oh, fuck, shit. Oh, shit, did I get some on you too? I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, let me help you. Here, let me help you a little bit. I'm so sorry. Damn. Fuck. Hey, no, so we're just playing. It's just water.
I seen the camera. I'm like, oh, shit.
Hey, what you want? Hey, what you want to say to the camera? This right here. Talk. That's what you want to say.
Oh man, can't find it. What? Sneeze on back my butt. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. It came out of nowhere.
I'm gonna show you guys something. We're gonna pass by somebody. I think they fucked their hair up. I don't know what barber she got, but that barber needs to get fired. We're about to show you guys. Watch this. Look, zoom into her, zoom into her. It's that lady, guys, but we gotta get her from the front. You guys gotta see this. All right, record. Record. Is it recording? Alright guys, I think we're gonna get which what the fuck do you think we should get?
Potato chips?
Is you sure? I think we're gonna get some popcorn. I think that's what we're gonna do. Oh, damn. What the fuck? Sir, chill. It was a damn. Sir, I didn't mean to. I tried turning my head. Chill. Hey, it was an accident. Chill.
That shit on purpose.
Damn.
Damn my ass.
You fucking messed my sweater up and shit. Damn. Dude, chill. Relax, sir. God damn. Oh hell no. Alright guys, I think we're fucked. We're fucked. This lady got on the walkie-talkie and we're gonna get ganged up on by a hell of fucking people, so shit. Fuck, I think it's time our time to get out of here. I'm pretty sure they're waiting. Look, they're right there, look. Fuck, we're fucked. We're super fucked. Don't start recording this. Oh, he's over there. Point to him. He's so bad. Alright guys, we're fucked. We're done. We're done stuff. Oh shit. Look, he's coming. This fool's hella following us. Look at it. He's hella following us. This way. No, we're trying to get out, but look at him. Let's go. Record.
He either fighting or he's up there now.
Security, we need security.
Get up here. Stop.
Roscoe back. Oh hell no. The guys over here grabbing our camera. We're already out of here, but he just came back and followed. Don't stop recording. No, I didn't see that word.
Yeah, he's coming now. You're on private property.
No, yeah, we were him, but he started chasing us.
Just leave.
Oh, yeah. How you feel? How do you feel? All right, guys, we're out of here. This guy caught us and shit. Damn. All right, let's go. Oh shoot, what happened? Wait, what does he want?
He wants to press charges. Sit tight right here.
Press charges for what?
He's talking and spitting on him.
No, it was a water. It's water. We didn't sneeze. It was a joke. Oh, hell no.
You need to stay over here.
Don't stop recording.
It's not a funny situation, dude. Come on. You're trespassing from one woman.
Yeah, that's fine.
Trespass from all of them. You cannot go into any of them. So that you understand.
Yeah, we have everything on camera.
You guys mind showing him? Because he just wanted
What?
to make sure that you didn't sneeze on him.
Oh yeah. Look, let me see the foot. Let me see the camera. Well, I guess we're fucked. We got trespassed for like 2 years. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Fuck it. We did it to ourselves. It is what it is. So how do you feel? You got your ass beat.
Well, I got punched for the first time.
Shit, you got chased, dude. We were just talking about this. It's funny. We were just talking about this too. I was like, so what are you gonna do when you get your ass beat? You know, you better be prepared.
Yeah, he socked me right here. I like.
Oh, he punched you? Oh shit. This is some bullshit. They got me here waiting fucking like a whole hour and shit just for him to see some footage because he doesn't want to believe that we sprayed him. He fucking thinks that we sneezed on him. Like actually, so he's making a big ass deal. He's trying to sue us. I don't know, press charges. I don't know what he's trying to do, but shit, I'm trying to get out of here. I might as well do some like push-ups or something, right? While I'm waiting, shit, maybe like shit, I might as well like run some laps, you know, do something, cause shit, they're taking too long. This dude's like doing too much.
1 hour later.
All right, guys. Well, I guess no more Walmart for us. Shit. We're probably gonna have to stick to like Target or some shit. Fuck. And this is where I get all my POV videos and shit. Fuck you, Walmart. Everybody comment down below. Fuck you, Walmart. Hashtag we love Target better. He did too much, bro. Like, he was trying to press charges on us, but I guess the same shit we got. I don't know if you guys heard in the clip, but I guess a suspect battery, some shit like that. I guess he got the same thing because he punched my cameraman. Like, you know, he fucking ran after him and punched the shit out of him in the face. Oh shit! But
that motherfucker up, bro.
I think we're gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Also, guys, if you guys have any ideas or any type of video you guys want us to do, comment down below. I'll be looking at all the comments. You know, I'll probably try some out if they're good. If you guys don't follow all my social media, follow all my social media. It'll be right here. If you guys are new here, smash that damn subscribe button. What the fuck are you doing? Why aren't you subscribed yet? Shit, we're almost at 5,000. Can y'all help me get to 5,000 or what? What do I have to do? Oh! Y'all trying to box or what? Shit, but all right, guys, we're out of here.
Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like,
Second fucking time you did that, dude. What's your fucking problem, man?
Did I hit you the first time, sir?
Yeah, you did.
I'm so sorry, freaking nose.
Then you sit here and fucking about it. I know exactly what you're doing. Get the
Sorry,
fuck away
sir.
from me, man.